In this video tutorial, we're going to go over the pencil tool. The pencil tool is located under the pen tool. The icon looks very similar to a pencil. The shortcut is the N key on the keyboard. Now, just like the pen tool, there is a small black triangle located on the bottom right-hand corner of the icon. What that means is if you hold down on the pencil tool, you're going to see another menu that pops up. And there are 3 tools total that you can use with the pencil tool. So the first one is the pencil tool. So let's make sure that one's selected. The pencil tool is very similar to the pen tool and the line tool in that it creates lines. However, instead of being restricted by clicking with the pencil tool, if you hold down the mouse, you can actually freehand and draw freely any shape you want. You can make it wavy, anything like that. Now the problem is when you do this, you go back to V, you can see the line doesn't look very smooth. It's more jaggedy, things like that. Whereas if you do this with the pen tool, it'd be nice, a nice curve. And that's where the smooth tool comes in. So what we first want to do is to go back and select our object, which is the line. Go back to the pencil tool, hold it down, and go to the smooth tool. Now you'll notice the mouse cursor now it looks kind of like a chalk with some squiggly circles around it. So what you can do with this now is go over the object or the line, holding the mouse, and when you do that, it will smooth out your pencil strokes. If you notice, the anchor points will start to get less and less. That's good because that means that you have less jagged edges on it. So you can keep doing it until it gets to be pretty smooth. So you can hit V and take a look. It does look more smooth. However, there are still some jagged points to it. And finally, go back to the pen tool. Before we do that, you want to make sure it's selected. Then you go back to the pencil tool. Hold it down, go down to the erase tool. What the erase tool does, as we zoom in here, is you can erase different segments of the pencil tool. So you can just go through and erase like that. In addition to that, if you go back to the selection tool, you can just click on select and then hit the delete key or backspace, and you can erase anything that is on the pasteboard. And that is a quick walkthrough on how to use the pencil tool.